Hey my lovely, it's AKONTABA and welcome back to my channel. So I can't wait for you to learn how I achieved this beautiful highlight on this stunning unit today. So make sure you stay tuned and watch how I created these beautiful colors. Bye. Now, in terms of product, I am using a 40% developer and a 30% developer. And the reason I chose this product is because they are currently available in every beauty supply shop around the country, especially because we are currently in lockdown and also because they are quite affordable. And the third reason is that this video is beginner friendly. So if you've never any type of hair at all, this is definitely the video for you. And the ratio that I'm following is either a 1:1 or 2:2, which means if I take 1 scoop of developer, I'm going to take 1 scoop of bleach. If I take 2 scoops of developer, I will use 2 scoops of The first section of the hair I am going to bleach and dye is what is called a money piece. Now the money piece is the first 2 sections of hair right at the beginning of your crown. Now, this part is very crucial. As I keep telling my students, anytime you are bleaching or dyeing your hair, you need to make sure that you comb it through even when you still have the product in. Because if you don't comb it through and make sure the product goes everywhere, you will end up washing the hair just to realize that you still have some patches. So some places where the bleach did go through and some places where the bleach didn't get to at all. Now, the technique I'm using to select the actual pieces of hair that I'm going to dye is called weaving. Now, all this means is I am going in and out of the piece of hair just to select some strands that I'm actually going to dye, just as you see now. So I've selected the pieces of hair, the strands of hair I'm going to use, and I'm now going to place my foil underneath and then start coating the hair with the bleach. So I will be following this technique all around the hair, and then I'll leave the bleach to sit in for about 30 more minutes. So I've gone ahead to wash the hair with shampoo and conditioner, and I'm now ready to style it. So I am going to use a heat protectant, and guys, heat protectant is so important. Without it, don't even think of flat ironing your hair at all. And then I'm using a bit of oil by Pantene. It's just an argan oil to reinstate the good balance of the hair. Guys, look at this hair. It is so gorgeous. It is so silky and so shiny. Although it went through all the process it just gone through, it is so beautiful. Now last minute I decided to add some tiny bit of waves, nothing too major. So I'm just showing you how I curl the hair, and look at the curls, guys. It is so beautiful. Look at the color turned out so nice, and I'm so happy with the final result. So thank you so much for tuning in, and until my next video, stay blessed. Bye.